Since the very first bedtime, all around the world, children have known that once their mothers and fathers tucked them in and shut off the light, that there are monsters hiding in their closets, waiting to emerge. But what they don't know is, it's nothing personal. It's just their job. Oh!
Nobody here. Huh? There's no kid. There's supposed to be a kid. There's no kid this game. I'm panicking because there's a total lack of kid here.
Let's just check the schedule.
It's very embarrassing. Now let me see. 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
Boys' bedroom?
Boys' bedroom.
Out of Magnolia?
Magnolia? Give me that. It's Mongolia. Mike, does this look like Mongolia to you?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, you remember the 5th grade?
Yeah.
When you spent all your time passing notes to Susie Boyles?
Loved it.
The rest of us were studying geography. This is not Mongolia.
Would you listen to this? Blame it on the little guy. How original. He must have read the schedule wrong with his one eye.
Come on, don't take it personally.
You were thinking that. You were
Don't be so
thinking that.
sensitive. Come on, buddy. Little Blinky.
Don't do that. I'm resisting you. Don't make me like you. I don't want to like you now. All right. Hey, guess which planet I am? Huh? Come on, look. Guess which planet I am.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to the break room before all the donuts are done.
Hey, don't you even get it? You big throw rug? Oh, nice doggy. Nice big doggy. Sully, open